Hello my friends, thank you for following my channel. Before we start on the lowrider, I'm gonna talk a little bit about how you can help me get more views and more followers. All right, first of all, you can just like the video, hit that thumbs up so that YouTube can know that you like the video. Also, try to view the commercials, not all the commercials, but at least one of them. That'll help YouTube also distribute my my video. All right, let's just begin with the lowrider. Let's see what's going on with it. And now let's get to the good stuff. Let me talk about candy paint jobs. Candy paint jobs are a little tricky, as you guys know. That's why a lot of people don't like doing candy paint jobs. This car came out real nice, real perfect, but there is a flaw. There is a problem. What's that flaw, you might ask? Well, the customer did not like the tone of the color that it has. All candy colors are gonna have a different tone than what it's shown on the picture, okay? On the little sample that they give you whenever you're gonna buy a color. All the candy paint jobs are gonna have a tone, a different tone. This one has like a violet, purplish tone to it. That's what we were trying to avoid. That's what, right now on camera, it might seem that it's completely blue, but it does have a purplish tone, which we were trying to remove by adding that oriental blue, okay? But it wasn't sufficient enough. We weren't able to remove the entire purple tint to it. Two reasons. One, when I purchased the candy paint, I purchased the gallon first. This car took 2 gallons of candy paint, okay? I purchased 1 gallon of candy and a quart of the oriental. I mixed that quart to the oriental, which helped out. Let me show you real quick. The inside is blue. It's perfect. It might look the same to you on camera, but it is perfect. It's completely blue the way he wanted it, okay? This car took 2 gallons of candy, which I believe the manufacturer added more violet on one of the candy gallons that created this violet on the outside. Before I tell you what we're gonna do with the car, don't get discouraged. Candy colors are beautiful. They are real beautiful. That's the reason I'm showing you the good and the bad, so that you guys can learn. So that you guys can learn as to what it's all about when you're trying to do a candy paint job, okay? So if you see a car, let's say on a car show, oh, that's the color I want, that's the color. Believe me, even if you got the exact same color, it's not gonna be the same. There's a couple of variances. Reason one, this car took 5 coats, okay? 5 coats of candy. We don't know how many coats that car has on that car show that you saw, on that vehicle that you saw. We don't know what mixture they made. We don't know what how they sprayed it. Everybody has a different technique on spraying, so we don't know all that. You might get it close, but you're not gonna get it exact. Just be aware of that. Be aware of that. Okay, so you're wondering what I'm gonna do with the car. I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna redo it over, all the way from the sealer to the candy. But the customer chose the different color. This is the color we're gonna be going with. It's from Tamco, Candy Killer Blue. That's the name of the candy. I did buy 2 gallons. This is 1 gallon. I have another one. I did buy 2 gallons. This one, this is a candy carrier. Okay, right there. You mix 2 of these to the 8 ounce. I believe it's 8 ounce of the candy to 1 gallon of the Tamco carrier to make the actual color. Okay, that's what we're gonna be going with. How I'm gonna do it is, I'm not gonna show the process, guys, because it's gonna be exactly the same thing as we did in the beginning. If you want to see those videos, I'm gonna bring you back once I'm at the stage of the candy, when I'm gonna be spraying the candy, and I am gonna tell you what kind of sandpaper I'm gonna use to remove this. So you do know that it has a lot of layers of metal flake, some candies, some clear coats, some sealers, some base. Has a lot of layers. So I'm gonna remove as much as possible. I'm gonna be going with a 40 grit sandpaper. It might be a little bit harsh. Usually 40 grit is for body filler, but I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be scraping it down as much as possible so that we can take as many layers as possible. All right, that's what we're gonna be doing, and then I'm just gonna start from there. But I'm not gonna show you that process because it's the same thing that I have already done. If you haven't seen those videos, I'm gonna link them at the end of this video so you can see them. Right here, you can see that I have started sanding it down. This, I started sanding it with 80 grit, which took off the candy real easy, but 40 grit is gonna take off even more. So I'm gonna start sanding it with 40 grit completely and just go from there. And before I go, I'm gonna be posting another video tomorrow. You do not want to miss it. Okay, stay tuned for that. And this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understand why I'm not going to be showing the car as of right now until it's ready to do that candy job. But there's more videos to come. All right, thank you again. Please hit that like button. It helps a lot. Let's stay focused together so we can learn. And this will be it. Thank you very much. And like always, God bless.